The psychology of people who love nature photography. Some people walk through nature and simply see trees, but others stop. They notice the light between the leaves, the shape of the clouds, the silence of a forest, the reflection on water, and without thinking, they reach for a camera. But have you ever wondered why? Why are some people deeply drawn to photographing nature? Psychologically, people who love nature photography often experience the world differently. They are usually more observant, more emotionally sensitive, more connected to small details most people ignore. While others rush through life, they pause. Because to them, nature is not just scenery. It is emotion. It is peace. It is escape. Many nature photographers are not only taking pictures, they are trying to capture a feeling, a moment that cannot be repeated. The golden sunlight before sunset, rain falling softly on leaves, birds flying across an empty sky. These moments disappear quickly, and photography becomes a way to hold onto them. Psychologists often say that people who feel mentally overwhelmed are naturally attracted to nature. Why? Because nature slows the mind down. It reduces stress. It quiets overthinking. It gives the brain a break from noise, pressure, and constant stimulation. And photography makes that connection when
even
someone
deeper.
photographs nature. They become fully present. They focus on colors, movement, textures, light. For a few moments, their mind stops worrying about everything else. That is why many people describe photography as therapeutic. It is not always about getting the perfect image. Sometimes it is about healing. Interestingly, people who love nature photography also tend to appreciate solitude, not loneliness. Solitude. They enjoy quiet places because silence helps them notice things more deeply. The sound of wind, the movement of water, the rhythm of rain. Nature photographers often feel emotions intensely, even if they do not always express them openly. So, instead of explaining their feelings with words, they express them through images. A photo becomes their language. Sometimes a lonely road in the fog says more about a person's emotions than words ever could. Nature photography is also connected to mindfulness. The camera forces people to slow down and truly observe the present moment. And in a world where everyone is distracted, that ability becomes rare. People who photograph nature are often searching for more than beauty. They are searching for calm, meaning, freedom, and sometimes themselves, because when someone stands quietly in front of mountains, oceans, forests, or sunsets, something psychological happens. They feel smaller, but strangely, more connected to life at the same time. Nature reminds people that not everything needs to move so fast, and maybe. That is why nature photography feels so powerful. It allows people to pause time, even just for a second. So if you love photographing nature, it may say something deeper about you. Maybe you notice beauty others overlook. Maybe your mind craves peace. Maybe your soul feels most alive in quiet places. Or maybe your camera is not only capturing nature. Maybe it is capturing pieces of you,